What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're gonna go pick up a 2013 Jeep Wrangler. It's been hit in both rear quarters, left and right, and the tailgate's all smushed up. Hopefully we don't have to replace the topper. I can't find one of those used. This channel is brand new. As many of you know, I don't have too many videos, and all my videos are averaging 300 to 1,000 views. And if every one of you that are watching like, subscribe, it helps me out a lot and I can continue to make my videos. I would really appreciate the support, and thanks to everyone that's supporting me. Let's get back to it. We gotta load up the trailer. As you guys can see, we got a nice trailer now so we can go pick up the cars. I don't need to have them towed anymore. And yeah, let's get on the road. Let's go pick up this Jeep. Let me just cut into this video real quick, just to show you guys the upcoming projects. As you can see here, we got this scat pack that's coming soon. We're just waiting on some parts. The Sea-Doo Part 2 is coming out, almost done. I got all the parts in, got to finish that up. This Range Rover Supercharger, it was hit in the front. We got that coming up. And of course, the shop truck. We need to get this thing sold and get something better. So I ordered up the quarter panel. For both sides, I ordered the whole rear clip, and it showed up today. And they sent me almost half of the whole Jeep there. So now I gotta move that into the garage, see what I gotta cut off, how I'm gonna weld it all back in together. And so let's get this thing in the garage real quick. See here, the trunk, the gate got smushed up right there, so that's going to be replaced, and I ordered one up. Here it is, and it came damaged. There's a shipping damage right there, and this side's a little bit worse, so I got to fix that up. This quarter we're going to be replacing. This door doesn't open properly. Everything here is smushed up. See how the door doesn't line up? It hits the quarter panel there. The rear bumper, got one ordered, on its way. The tire, the spare tire mount is broken. This whole thing is just about to fall off. You can see in there it's all broken. So I got that coming, and these hinge covers are all coming. New tail lights, and hopefully I don't have to replace this top right here. All right, time to take this topper off. I removed this door. I gotta get that door off. I'm gonna be welding here, so I don't want to ruin the doors or anything. Gotta get the carpets off, all this stuff. Some aftermarket parts. We're gonna be replacing the headlights, the fog lights. I gotta do something about this bumper. I don't know yet if I'm gonna go with a metal bumper, get a winch on it. But I know I did order the same headlights my brother put on his Jeep. As you can see here, he has the HID on top and then no fog light, and he has this metal bumper, which I think looks pretty cool. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think I should get, if I should get a metal bumper or just go all out and make this thing a off-road Jeep. Thanks everybody for the likes, everybody that's subscribing, thank you so much. And that's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, subscribe so you get notifications. See you later.